Guys, truly appreciate your friends who are real. I lost them all.
A warehouse with parts for Shahed drones worth $16 million was destroyed in Alabuga, Russia, reports Ukrainian Defense Intelligence. The premises contained 65 fuselages of attack drones, as well as engines, navigation systems, and thermal imaging cameras for the production of 400 units of the Shahed 136. Everything burned down. A massive Russian assault with the use of atypical vehicles captured on video. 5 destroyed armored vehicles, 8 demolished SARs, 63 eliminated Russians, and 3 abandoned electric scooters. Those were the results of the enemy's failed assault on the positions of the 12th Special Forces Brigade Azov. Every day, Russian infantry tries to break through Ukrainian defense lines and gain a foothold in the half-destroyed buildings and basements or hide among the tree lines. Over the last few months of massive assaults, the enemy has lost many armored vehicles. That is why Russians are now widely using passenger cars, buggies, and even electric scooters. The video captures all types of Russian transport and their destruction. As is true for the whole front line, the enemy has a significant advantage in infantry numbers in the Toretsk sector. That is why the attempted assaults are stopped while the Russians approach the Ukrainian Defense Forces infantry positions. Watch the new video to see how the pilots, artillerymen, and command of the 12th Special Forces Brigade Azov coordinate their efforts. When you realize that your chances of coming back alive are not so great, practically none. You could just sit in your homeland, raise children, build a house, plant trees. But in Russia, this is not in fashion now. Today it is cool to die in landing in Ukraine and transform into a school desk. A more terrible category than these underage idiots is their parents, literally sending their children to slaughter for money. In the video, there is a soldier from Bashkiria. Are there still men left in the villages?
Listen, guys, truly appreciate your friends who are real. I lost them all. I lost everyone, damn it, who was with me in Ukraine, damn it. And all 200, damn it, it's really, damn it, you know how painful, damn it is just to lose them, damn it. Alright, let's connect. Set sail. Peace be upon you. American underground. All that stuff. I love and respect everyone. But I don't promise you all. I won't return alive. I'll fight until they kill me.
A Russian soldier is filming a Ukrainian fiber optic FPV drone attacking his quad bike nearby. However, the drone probably didn't work. But the fact that the Ukrainian military has started using fiber optic FPV drones is very pleases. The burning cars in the background were less fortunate.
Here comes the wire. Look. Damn. I'll come closer now, wait. See, there's a wire sticking out. And 6 propellers on fiber optics. Cook.
2 freight trains carrying coal collided in Zabaikalsky Krai in Russia, derailing a total of 42 cars. Delays reported on the Moscow-Vladivostok route. According to the press service of the East Siberian Transport Prosecutor's Office, the incident occurred at approximately 7:30 local time at the section between Bushule and Zhiraken. The first train derailed 35 cars, while the second lost 7 coal-loaded cars, according to the press service, as reported by Russia's TASS news agency. No injuries have been reported, and a recovery train has been dispatched to the site. Authorities confirmed there is no threat to environmental safety, and investigators are conducting a thorough inquiry to determine the cause of the collision. Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni has said that Russia poses a broad threat to the security of the European Union as it could use illegal immigration and other issues to undermine the EU. Meloni arrived in Finland to attend a meeting of the leaders of Italy, Sweden, and Greece, as well as the EU's chief diplomat, Kaja Kallas, where they discussed security in Northern Europe and the Mediterranean, as well as migration challenges. Meloni stated at the press conference, in response to a question about Russia, that the threat is far greater than people might think. The threat to the EU's security from Russia or other countries will not stop after the war in Ukraine is over. And the EU must be prepared for this, she asserted. She called on the EU to do more to protect its borders and not allow Russia or any criminal organization to control the flow of illegal migrants. Some EU members, including Finland and Estonia, have accused Russia of allowing illegal migrants from the Middle East and elsewhere to enter EU countries through Russia without proper checks, undermining EU security. Meloni said that the EU has made mistakes in dealing with migration over the years by simply trying to share the burden. Donald Trump announces plans to meet with Putin as soon as possible to end the war. President Putin said he wants to meet with me quickly. We're waiting for that, but we need to end this war, stated the U.S. President-elect in Phoenix.
Including foreign policy, these crazy wars that we're in. One of the things I want to do, and quickly, and President Putin said that he wants to meet with me as soon as possible. So we have to wait for this, but we have to end that war. That war is a horrible. The soldiers, the number of soldiers being killed, it's a flat plane, and the bullets are going, and there's powerful bullets, powerful guns, and the only thing that's going to stop them is a human body. They go dead flat land. Nobody's ever seen anything like it. Millions of soldiers have died now. Millions. We're seeing numbers that are just crazy. Got to stop it. It's ridiculous. Would have never happened if I was president. That war would have never happened.
Around 30,000 protesters took to the streets of Belgrade to oppose President Vucic's government, according to police reports. Unofficial estimates suggest the number was closer to 100,000. While Ukrainians know Vucic for his pro-Russian stance, Serbians are protesting corruption within his administration. The rally, organized by students and farmer unions, was part of a wider movement demanding accountability for the collapse of a railway station roof that killed 15 people last month.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.